morning, everyone. It's great to see so many partners gathered here. I'm Sumitha Sunil, and I'm excited to talk about something that is close to all our hearts, which is building, future-ready partner ecosystem. So the world around us has changed, right, very fast, right? I think customers expect instant support. They need seamless experience, and also on the security side, they're looking at the stronger security. So how do we as a partner community stay ahead? So to start with, integrating AI, like how we manage IT, not just for the efficiency, but to be more smarter, be more connected experience. So today I will walk you through the GoTo, how in our journey, how we are going to get into it. So I have my colleague Saurabh Mittal, who's a senior solution consultant, and I think most of you are aware of our channel partner manager, Rupali Rokde. So we started way back in 2003. So earlier we had called as LogMeIn. Most of you are aware of LogMeIn, but we are GoTo. We started way back in 2003, and we are headquartered in Boston, and we have over 2,800 employees across North America, South America, EMEA, Australia, and Europe. We have, I think we have 1 million new connections, and with 1 billion, I think maybe most of you are aware of GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar, GoToTraining, right? We have 1 billion connections happening. People are using our collaboration solution. And the other side is we have the remote side, right? Remote support and remote access. We have 1 billion connections happening there as well, with annual revenue of 1 billion in revenue. And yes, the product which we have is LogMeIn Rescue and Resolve. That is what predominantly we both are going to cover. So now the question has been around, it's been in a century, right? I think Mr. Deepak was talking about it. Will automation replace people in IT support? So look at that timeline. Since 1928, every few decades, there has been a fear that machine will take over, right? In 1940s, it was industrial machine. In 1960s and 80s, it was computer and robot. And even in 2017, there was a headline which warned about robot might take all our jobs. But here is the truth, right? Technology doesn't replace people, it actually empowers them. So what changes is not the need for people, but the way we work, right? Automation takes away the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so that the IT team can focus what really matters to them, right? Solving problems, improving security, as well as delivering exceptional customer experience. And that's where the AI is becoming a game changer. In my next few slides, I think I will share you some data points on the AI, its adoption and impact, which have taken from various research, including Gartner and IDC. So what does AI actually mean for all our partners and customers in a practical terms, right? It's not just the flashy, I would say, like, the buzzword. It's about real, usable AI, and also which helps the IT team every day, right? Think about an AI, right, that can automatically detect the issue, which is impacting the user, suggest the right troubleshooting step in a real time, and even summarize the support session so that your technician can move faster. So that's kind of AI-powered support we are building with LogMeIn Rescue, faster resolution, smarter workflow, and also happier end user. So as the partner ecosystem, you are here to heart the transformation. Together we can help customer move reactive and proactive support and truly build the future-ready business. Yeah, so I think one of the biggest way AI has changing the supporting in calls is the agent amplifier effort. So basically it means AI is helping support agent to do their job better and faster, and not replacing them, but actually making them stronger. So let's start the topic, which is knowledge. Data from MerrickNet shows that support team using AI can, in their tier 1 agents can solve 31% more issues on their own without escalating to the other team members, right? That's a huge, it means 47% faster than those without it, right? That means faster onboarding and in less time struggling to get onto the speed. So, so if you see, really AI isn't here to replace people, it's here to amplify them. It makes people, the agents, smarter, happier, and more effective. And it's like having a trusted co-pilot that helps them deliver great support every single day. So let's talk about our approach in proactive AI, right? What we call our GoTo framework. This framework captures how we apply our AI thoughtfully, effectively, and also with the real world value in mind. Our first principle is AI with a purpose, right? We build in building, I think we believe in building AI as a mean, as an end, not as an end it itself, right? That means that we are chasing the latest trend or hype cycle innovation. So we focus on solving real problem that matters to our customer and drive measurable impact. The second pillar is AI excellence. We bring together best-in-class AI solution from leading vendors and combine them with our own in-house expertise. So this allows us to create the right balance between innovation, reliability, and security. So ensuring every AI implementation meets the highest standard of quality and performance. And the last one is, the user advisory. That is most important, right? We work hand in hand with customer, as well as we take feedback from the partners as well, to design and deliver new feature that truly enhance user experience. Our goal is to create a, I would say like co-create, continuously learning from the real world use, refining our solution, and maximizing the overall impact of AI for an end user. So in short, our practical AI go-to approach is to keep, obviously we have to keep it focused, like purposeful, excellent, and execution, and deeply collaborative with our users every step on the way. So if you look at these numbers, it's a big number in IT support and management for 2025. The first one is company around the world are spending around $200 billion on AI and automation. This means more tasks are being done by smart machines to help people work smarter. The next spending is obvious, the most important for all the organization is the cyber security, right? Which is even higher, $212 billion are spending, and this is to keep our data and online systems safe for growing threats. Finally, the tool that helps us manage computer from the far away, obvious, that is called RMM solution. So, which is also getting more popular. I think as per research, it says by 2032, the market for these tools could be worth of $2 billion. So the first big area is intelligent issue diagnostic, right? I think AI tool can now analyze the system data, user behavior, and past issue, and quickly identify what's going wrong. In fact, research has showed that these tools can cut the time to find the root cause by about 37%. That's a huge time saver, right, for the support team. And the second major area is knowledge assistant, right? Instead of agents having, manually doing the search, or maybe going through the articles or going through the past cases, AI system now can do that for them, right? in a real time. According to this research, this kind of AI support improves first contact resolution rate by 28%, because agent can get the right information right when, when they need it, right? That is where they need the details. So in short, AI helps agents solve problems faster and more accurately. So making the whole support experience smoother, not only for them, but for the customers as well. So from here, I would like to hand over to my colleague Saurabh Mittal, so he can talk. Obviously, I spoke more of the AI as a thought leadership, but he can get in more in depth on the product side and how we are, engaging. Yeah, over to you.
Thanks, Sumitha. Right. So I think what Sumitha talked about was more from a perspective of what we are bringing from a thought leadership perspective and what we are thinking about, right, in terms of AI, in terms of security. Right now, so over 20 years, right, we have built solutions, right, LogMeIn, right, which help customers manage their infrastructure at scale, right, whether it could be Rescue, Resolve, Pro, Central. So we have a huge gamut of solutions which help customers manage their infrastructure. But today we will be talking about two key solutions, which is LogMeIn Rescue and LogMeIn Resolve. These two solutions put together help you as a partner ecosystem cater to a wide spectrum of audience, whether it is an SMB customer or it's an enterprise customer looking for a remote support IT management platform driven with AI, right? Then we have LogMeIn Rescue and Resolve as a solution for you. So looking first at LogMeIn Resolve. So LogMeIn Resolve is an all-in-one IT management platform, right? With today's times, as Sumitha mentioned, as Dr. Sahu mentioned, the key focus is on how the budgets are getting thinner, the need for AI is growing, and at the same time, the IT leaders are looking for a solution which can help them consolidate different platforms into a single solution. And that is where the power of LogMeIn Resolve comes into the picture. Yeah, so thank you. So as I was saying, right, LogMeIn Resolve is a 360-degree IT management platform which gives the capability to the IT leaders to consolidate multiple solutions into the single platform. Whether they are looking on the reactive side where they want quick support to be provided to their end user, or on the proactive side when they are looking to manage their infrastructure at scale with capabilities like patch management, IT automation, alerting, self-healing capabilities, so that their infrastructure can heal on their own and improve the overall IT infrastructure health and experience of managing it. With that, the underlying layer, we also go beyond IT infrastructure management with capabilities like asset management and service management built into the single solution. So you get capabilities like hardware inventory management, software management, and incident management, ticketing, knowledge-based management also inbuilt into a single platform. And all these different areas, right, the capabilities, these are being driven with AI innovation. So AI is core as an overarching layer built on all these platforms, whether you want automatic note taking, AI assisted scripting, AI helping end users to resolve their issues on their own. Now with that, right, we heard again about how breaches are becoming very common and how we get a very secure and resilient IT infrastructure. So whenever we talk about security, right, whenever we talk about remote support tools, if I go and speak to a customer, what are the key areas why they are looking to change, right? Either it could be their compliance, right? So the key thing which we hear is they talk about security, right? That because of security, I want to look for a change. So it could be their internal IT teams asking for them to hire a more compliant solution. It could be the advent of social engineering and phishing scams which make them prompt for a new solution, or it could be the security of the platform provider itself. So, and with that in mind, you keep on getting these kind of, you keep on hearing these kind of headlines, right, where you see there has been some kind of a scam, there could be some kind of a security incident, which are being very common these days. So how do we ensure that you are trusting your devices, your platforms to us? So how is it secured? To keep that infrastructure secure, we are building a standard zero trust based architecture. And I think this image talks about it all, right? So LogMeIn is building an infrastructure which is based on the zero trust architecture. So any action which is being taken by the agent on your devices has to be authenticated. They have to ensure they prove their identity, then only they will be able to support your endpoints, right? So we are building a first of a kind zero trust architecture for your endpoints being managed by us. And I think this picture tells you that. Okay. Now what about AI? How do we amplify the agent's behavior, right, with AI? So we are bringing a very innovative AI enriched feature set which enables technicians to work more smartly and with productivity. So we are bringing out features like virtual technician. So virtual technician is available to the IT teams, right, to perform remote support activities during their sessions, right? You can create custom knowledge base articles, or you have the reporting capabilities available with you where you can create custom reportings as well. Okay, so these kind of AI enhanced feature set enable your IT teams to be more productive and get onboarded faster onto your tools. With that, I like to now move to our other solution which is known as LogMeIn Rescue, right? So LogMeIn Rescue is our enterprise grade remote support platform which is purposely built for your large enterprise organizations. So when you're talking to a bank, when you're talking to a pharma, when you're talking to an healthcare organization, for them security, customization, integration into their existing workflow becomes the paramount importance, and that is where LogMeIn Rescue as a platform comes into the picture, right? You can provide support on any kind of device. So how is Rescue transforming IT service desks, right, to be more productive and at the same time secure? As Dr. Sahu mentioned, right, 95% of breaches are happening due to human error, right? When these kind of breaches are happen, obviously my IT leader would be skeptical that if I am onboarding a remote support solution, is it secure, right? To plug that security gap, to plug your social engineering, social phishing scams, right? What we are bringing is, we are bringing a security focused approach to Rescue where your agents can take control of only your devices, right? So we are bringing advanced security enhancement like device based restricted access package, enterprise domains, which gives you that peace of mind that I can eliminate human error from my organization. Then to innovate, to amplify the agent experience, we are bringing in features like AI based session summaries, device analysis, screen analysis, so that the engineers are more productive. And I would like to show how actually our AI features are translated into an action.
दो मिनट है, we have to ask one question. So give a special prize. इसमें कोई एक select कर.
Unlock new levels of agent efficiency and how real-time screen translation breaks language
Second कर
barriers
लेता हूँ.
for seamless support
Second, हाँ.
in any language.
आगे पढ़ाई नहीं
In
बनी.
today's scenario, we have technician Alex who receives a request from John, the end user whose laptop is freezing and doesn't respond. So Alex connects to the device and has a look at the system information. He decides to make use of Rescue's new AI capabilities. The first new AI feature is device analysis, which pulls all the available data we have.
So AI helps analyze the device.
And provides recommendations. So here it detects that a process called Chrome uses up a lot of CPU, and it recommends to close unnecessary tabs or windows and restart the browser. Alex suggests this solution to John, who carries it out right away. After that, John reports that he received another error message appearing on the screen. Alex decides to take a closer look and remotely connects into John's device. Once the remote support connection is established, Alex sees an unfamiliar error message and is not sure what this is about. So he decides to make use of Rescue's new screen analysis feature that is tailored to use AI as a way to find out more about what is being displayed on screen. He clicks the error message and has AI analyze it and provide a recommendation. It looks like there's a missing update that causes this error message to appear. Alex goes ahead and installs the missing Windows updates. But unfortunately, after the update is applied, the operating system language has changed to
Time is
German.
done.
Now that the computer UI is in an unfamiliar language for Alex, decides to use Rescue's new screen translation feature to navigate his way to changing the language back to English. Pressing Control, he just needs to hover over the setting and the translation will appear as a tooltip right next to the element. Navigating through the menus now is
You can't
a
stop in
cakewalk.
between. Right?
After the language has been reset to English, Alex closes the session and as part of his workflow, he uses Rescue's new AI session summaries to wrap up and summarize all the actions
उसके बाद
he's
बस
taken
वो
during his
check
session.
mark वाला slide है.
Alex can now use this to copy it to his favorite ticketing system, or he can make use of any of the Rescue integrations to have this posted automatically
It's
back
not
to the
moving.
ticket where it came from.
Yeah, sorry.
Let's take a look at the
So that is how you saw, right, how AI is driving innovation by enabling technicians to be more productive, right, with screen analysis, error analysis and session summaries. Now I want to just share a few facts that how these features are being used real time. So you can and the testimonial to that is India's largest airlines is using this solution to support their IT staff across India globally. Then we have the largest private health insurance provider in India using this platform. We have one of the largest pharma companies, right, supporting not only their employees but their OT environments also using these solutions. And then we have one of the top mutual funds and the largest global system integrators in India, right, top 14 out of 15 are using our platforms to support their internal employees. With that, I would like to thank you and
Next slide. Maybe this is very important for all the partners. So we have a competitive commissions for all, not only the company like partner, but also for the sales rep. And yeah, I think Rupali will be talking about it. I think we don't have much time, so you can come to our booth and we can discuss about what is the incentive plan we have for Q4, right? Yeah, thank you.
So thank
being used real time. So you can and the testimonial to that is India's largest airlines is using this solution to support their IT staff across India globally. Then we have the largest private health insurance provider in India using this platform. We have one of the largest pharma companies, right, supporting not only their employees but their OT environments also using these solutions. And then we have one of the top mutual funds and the largest global system integrators in India, right, top 14 out of 15 are using our platforms to support their internal employees. With that, I would like to thank you and
Next slide. Maybe this is very important for all the partners. So we have a competitive commissions for all, not only the company like partner, but also for the sales rep. And yeah, I think Rupali will be talking about it. I think we don't have much time, so you can come to our booth and we can discuss about what is the incentive plan we have for Q4, right? Yeah, thank you.